This evening on Made Right Here, Danielle Butt takes us to Notus Electronics, where they have developed the Troll Master.
This time on Made Right Here, we're visiting Notus Electronics here on Empire Avenue, and with us is the marketing manager, Francis Parrott. And Francis, tell us a little bit about what Notus does.
Well, Notus, we're a manufacturer and developer of net monitoring systems for the commercial fishing industry.
So what does that mean for trawlers?
Basically, we put sensors on a trawl net to provide the trawl's geometry wirelessly back to the fishing vessel.
Let's go see how it's done.
Excellent.
So this is our first step in the process. What are we doing here?
Absolutely. So right here we're actually molding a sensor body. So this machine, it degasses and mixes our two-part urethane for our sensor bodies.
So what's Dean doing here now?
Dean is actually starting the process of mixing the chemicals, the polyurethane, in order to pour it into the mold.
So this is what it starts out like, what Dean is doing here now.
Absolutely. So this is what it looks like when it starts, and this is what's in the mold here. So when Dean stops pouring it, he'll actually bake it in the oven for 24 hours, and then he'll take it out of the oven.
And it'll look like this.
It'll look like that. And then we'll take that and pressure test it for 24 hours at 700 fathoms of pressure.
So what are we doing in here?
So in the other room, we poured the sensor bodies, but now we need electronics to go into those bodies to make the sensors. So this is where a lot of the electronic components are put together.
This is where the magic happens.
This is where the magic happens.
And joining us now is Marketing Assistant Elizabeth O'Keefe. And Elizabeth, what happens here?
Danielle, we're in the development room. Susan is now taking apart one of our new trial door height sensors. This sensor is attached directly to the door, and it allows the skipper to know the distance between the ocean floor and the door of the doors flying slightly above the surface. And here we have the new Notus net sounder. This sensor is attached directly to the headline, and it allows the skipper to see exactly what's going through his net through a sounder image. You can imagine now this reduces the impact on the ocean floor by reducing bycatch, by allowing for such targeted fishing, as well as better fishing is less time, less fuel.
And here is your Troll Master system.
Yes, so this is a complete system. So shipboard equipment, sensors, and then the actual display in the wheelhouse. So the display indicating things like door spread and bottom contact information.
So if someone wanted to contact you to get their own Troll Master system, how would they do so?
www.notus.ca.
And hydroacoustic design from Notus Electronics is made right here.